Hey you guys, Andrea Cox here. I'm about to go to the Crystal Cave. I'm super excited to go to the Crystal Cave. Haven't been there in a long time in Encinitas, little tiny crystal store. Might go to my meditation gardens if I remember to grab my flip-flops. It's a beautiful day outside. Get outside and enjoy it. Bye. I think this celeanite right here will be big enough. Hey you guys, so I wanted to share some of the stones I got today. Let me see. Oops. Okay. So these are just a few I picked up today. I'm going to explain to you what they are, what they mean, etc., etc. Some of them you'll notice. Hey, 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 Mr. Blackstone. Hey, 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 CC. Hey, Codeman. Codeman, you look at my page a lot. Who are you? Should we know each other? Hey, Brandon Lang. Hey, Joe Bobasan. Okay, so this stone right here, and you wanna wear your stones on those cords are an eyesore, on your wrist as well. I've got this purple one's for protection, copper is healing. This one's for only legit friends and lovers coming into my life, the brown one. Yeah, I said friends and lovers. I did now. I did. Okay, so who am I kidding? I take a lover like once a decade. All right, so this is actually a stone for ascension. This is a stone of ascension. Chris Oakes, what's up? What's up? Chris Oakes once flew my dog Lewis to Arizona for me when I was going to be on a TV show. Oh my God, nightmare. Chris flew my dog to Arizona for me and got bit in the process. Thank you, Chris. Okay, hey Shania, what a cool name. I bet you didn't marry your best friend's husband, did you? Did you? I know you're laughing your ass off. Okay, this is a stone for ascension. You guys see me use this a lot on my new YouTube channel, The Detox Intuitive. Those of you who aren't already subscribed to Andrea Cox TV, please do so, and also The Detox Intuitive, or I won't talk to you anymore. Okay, Ascension. This right here is a jade. I bought all these today, by the way, to add to my collection. You'd have to walk around the house for the collection. This is a jade. Jade is excellent soulmate twin flame energy. So I once picked up a jade heart at the Chopra Center, right? And I got back in my car, true story now, true story. And I said a little prayer. I was like, God, send my soulmate in, some stuff like that. And the next day I met someone and ended up spending like 4 years with them. So jade is a powerful stone. I thought I would pick one up. Yeah, pick one up. All right, this is powerful for protection. Powerful for protection. I love this when I'm detoxing. It really allows us to go deep, not only physically, but emotionally without being attacked spiritually. So I love this. You guys, I gotta be honest, I have no idea what this is called. I got it because it looks like a noni. If you can guess what a noni is. It looks like a noni. Okay, amethyst. This is a different type of amethyst. I bet the name's written on because I told her to write. Okay, so what's that? Zoom in. Whatever that is. Okay, yeah, so that's that. I just thought it was pretty, different. Excellent for anxiety, excellent for sleep. This is actually the 4th one I bought. I have several of these throughout the house. This one is for confidence. So confidence. Yeah. Confidence. Okay, so let's see, what else do we have here? These are going on my altar table. I could, no one sees my altar table. You would probably be scared. You got a real La Bruja here. A real straight up, runs in the family La Bruja. This one's excellent for manifestation right here. Excellent for manifestation. God, I did a little shopping today, didn't I? Okay, so these right here are really great. I'll show you what these are. My goodness. Don't touch each other. These two shouldn't touch each other, actually. There's a reason. There's a method to my madness. These are excellent. I deal with a lot of people that are releasing both you'll notice I have one on my wrist as well. They're releasing their emotional toxins and their physical bullshit as well. So it's important to protect yourself. So these are great in a little baggie in my pocket. They're very inexpensive. I think they were $2 a piece. But I always have a piece of jewelry on or have these in my pocket, have them in my car. I have one taped to the back of this cell phone. I'm a little psychotic. I have these all around the house. You guys see these all the time. Got one in the kitchen, got one in the living room, one in the family room, one in all the bedrooms. This is fluorite. Don't ever put fluorite or any of the ite stones in your water. They are toxin filled. So I saw a YouTube video the other day, some girl saying you can charge your water, and she put a fluorite in there, and I almost choked. Yeah, but I didn't lash out like a Scorpio moon person. I didn't lash out. I held back. I acted like I didn't know the truth. Excellent. Dalmatian stone, excellent for relationships, and just a really pretty stone as well. This one too, what is this called? Rhodonite, or I forget what this is called. Someone correct me. Excellent. This one, okay, so these three that are going on my altar table, and my altar table is sick. I mean, there's even, it's severe, man. It's severe, okay? So this is a manifestation one. This one in the middle I learned of today. It actually brings those manifestations into reality and can also help you communicate telepathically, which I think I'm pretty good at anyway, because I'm like a triple water sign. So a lot of Pisces and Scorpio in me, so a lot of intuition there. This stone right here is also an excellent manifestation stone. I got one for confidence, because we could all use a little boost. We all know my confidence is low. Just kidding. It actually is from time to time. So yeah, you guys probably see a lot of these on both my YouTube channels, Andrea Cox TV and the Detox Intuitive. This one I got because it looked like a noni. It looked like it does. It looks like, look at that. That is beautiful.